Okay, now you remove the spacers. So you have the 2 spacers, the 2 key washers, and the 2 bolts.
Yeah.
Okay, using a vise, you can lock the axle. Make sure that you're not damaging the cable. The cable cannot be in a... Actually, let's put the cable aligned here. Seat the rotor lock so you have a very stable condition here. I will take the air. Let's say you are replacing the inner tube or the tire. So once you take the air off, you have to push to the bead here and the bottom as well. So you have the tire loose, tight, better here. Be careful with the cable. Be careful with the cable here. Don't damage the cable. So the next step will be to pull this tire, move the other side here so you get room. Have the tire. You have to deal with it. So one of the problems is that I didn't take enough air from the inner tube, so take your time to really deflate the tube. So you have the tire. Now we're gonna reinstall. So first you will install the tire on the rim. And some space. I will deflate the inner tube a little bit more. I have to install first the valve. Valve through the hole. Okay. Don't forget this washer here, the rubber washer. It will help to keep the stem in. So now I have to push the inner tube in the tire. Make sure the inner tube is not, you know, twisted or kinked. Okay. So using Vaseline, let's put Vaseline on the bead so you can slide this tire easily. Okay, and so when you are inflating here, keep this valve in, not if it's sticking out, it will touch the fork. So make sure that the tire sits evenly on the bead here. This line here is your reference, so it looks like it's good all around, and the stem is short enough so it will not interfere with the fork. I will remove from here.